I welcome you all to this query session of communication skills. The objective of this query session is to make you understand the parameters which are actually judged in the interviews and also in your lecturing. Since you have communication skills as a major section, SSB is a test where you have to be presentable. It is not a test where you have a certain script in your mind and you can just play that, you can just give answer in a scripted manner. Here, answer is to be given in a manner that you actually realize that. One cannot mug up the answers. One has to give such answers which are practically genuine and their genuineness is proven with the help of examples, instances, experiences that are generally asked with the cross questions. So, I welcome your queries in this session in which I would try to give the best solution that you can follow practically. Before PPNDT, this is being conducted. The motive is to encourage you. The motive is to sort out your all problems and make you confident for your narration. Right? Who's gonna raise the first question? Yeah, please.
Sir, my question is that how to maintain the content technically and convey it in a layman language.
Okay. Covering content part technically and conveyed in a layman language. Not instead of saying it layman language, you should better say natural expressions.
Yes, sir.
Layman word, you must be aware.
Yes, sir.
So layman word is not suited, especially in the candidature of SSB. I don't consider any student over here as a layman. I consider all students those who have potential to become an officer, and all of you are very lucky that you have got this great opportunity to appear in such a nice interview. Now, when it comes to organize your content in a natural expression, well, its exercise begins when you are actually natural in your basics. This exercise doesn't begin with technical topics. First of all, in my opinion, do not have this term in your mind that topics are technical and topics are tough. Topics are of very high gravity or they are of very high-fi. They have a lot of content that is not covered. First, be comfortable with the content part that is your content. You should expect such questions, that such questions will generally be there. Reason being, you are giving a national level interview where you have shown your candidature that you have effective intelligence, you have good observation, you have soft skills, you have dynamic nature. So in all these skills, there is a genuine expectation of the assessor just to know your observation on the current things. This question comes in lecturate also. There are 4 topics. Generally, students say, sir, should I select the toughest one? Or should I select the easiest one? So my only observation is, why are you saying that it is the toughest one? It is actually not tough. It is your perception, how you see that. When you see that question as a tough question, of course your expressions will not be natural. Your expressions will be tough. You will be putting your more energy from inside just to explain that, and since you consider it tough, your expressions will also be complex. They will not be easy. There are students who are not able to explain some of the improvements, some of the solutions that can benefit their cities. It means they have just been in academics. Out of academics, they have not seen, they have not thought much. So it is a time to think now. So any topic which sounds technical, which sounds tough, I would just suggest you, just think over it. It is really tough. Is it really is it such a topic which you cannot answer? If you find that it is really tough, only simple steps are there. Begin with your preparation steps. Preparatory steps are very simple. Just go with beginning. What does it mean? What all are the ingredients? What all are the key factors of this particular topic and what has been the scenario, like why farmers were not ready to accept this bill. What was the reason of their protest? And what were the key factors why this protest came up, and what could be there, what could be probable solution to avoid this protest? Speaking to your father, have you ever felt any hesitation?
No, sir.
Any of the family member, any younger comes to you and he wants to take your counseling. Do you feel that is it tough to explain?
No, sir.
Sometimes he raises such questions which are really tough, which are not known to you. Then too, you accept those questions and you try to put your efforts, and sometimes you get right answer.
Yes.
What does it show? It shows that you have that courage, you have that stamina to take up that challenge and come up with the solution. Same thing is here.
Yes.
I recall many of the experiences where I found students give up. They don't have logical reasoning, they don't discuss much. Again, discussion doesn't mean argument. Do not argue. Have a polite tone and have your logical answers given to the information seeker. Interviewer is an information seeker. You have to satisfy him with your explanation. And always remember, your explanations are not written on internet. It's actually you, it's actually Divyansh, it's actually his creativity to explain that topic, and it's your comfort zone how you maintain your coverage on that topic. Since you have time limit also, so you have to cover that particular topic within time frame. So that's again the scenario of armed forces where you have to complete the assignment within certain time frame. You are not relaxed. You don't have much time. So in such conditions, the observation is really that expects a candidate to be ready with those questions and to answer. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to continue this discussion for some time more. Students would generally think that what will be asked in academics. I hope you would also have thought, sir, what to prepare in academics. Again, I would say, if some questions are asked in academics, is it ingenuine?
No, sir.
Is it out of expectations?
No, sir.
It's natural. If I have done graduation, if I have done post-graduation, if I have done 12th, 10th, I'm supposed to be asked some of the observation-related questions. I'm supposed to be asked the questions related to physics, chemistry, and mathematics. So, I have also told you some tricks. Hope you remember.
Yes, sir.
I have told you the trick
Yes,
that do not answer it as a whole.
Sir.
You have freedom. You may simply say, sir, I like this subject, and in this subject, I like this section, and under this section, these are my favorite topics where I have actually worked on. Sir, I would also like to update you that this formula, I worked upon it and I found a new way of derivation. So why are you giving him scope that he should come up with any question, and then you are giving excuse, sorry sir, this much I am not updated and it has been a long time. It has been a long time. I did schooling long time back. Now there is a gap of 6 months. There is a gap of 1 year, sir. So that counseling will have no meaning. Initially, if you counsel, so that will be giving you right tuning. You need to counsel him initially. There are so many chances you can convey your area of specialization during your introduction as well. When he asks you about your schooling days, there you can pass. And sometimes he specifically asks you that which is your favorite subject, what do you like in that subject, why is it your favorite, why other subjects are not favorite, what has been your tough subject. So again, in these questions, just take these questions lightly, and as this question was how to prepare technical questions, do not take them technically, else expression will also be technical. Whatever you know, tell in a normal manner, in a natural manner, See, what will be benefit if you take a lot of pressure? Will there be any benefit?
No, sir.
So instead of taking pressure, at present, whatever is known to you, you may explain that much. And in case it is not known to you at all, simply accept, sir, I am not updated with this particular point. I will definitely work on this. That's it. Again, in SSB interview, selection of parameter is not the knowledge of English. Selection of parameters are known to you. Same as with us. If you find that somewhere your vocabulary is lacking, why not to spend time? Why not to highlight? Why not to raise questions? Why not to raise questions 10 times until it is resolved? And one more practice, rhythm practice. Suppose I forgot a word and I did not know that. So after knowing that word, I should have rhythmical practice. What I mean to say, you should make at least 10 to 15 sentences on the same word so that next time that word should be your strength, that shouldn't be your weakness. So rigorous preparation style and observation will make you overcome such things. One more thing I would like to add on, that in case you use simple words also, do not concentrate your language is getting simple. It's fine. Again, concentrate for the next. Concentrate what next, what other points you are going to cover. Your concentration should be on that. Rather than thinking, I have not used good vocabulary in my previous sentences. Why I'm saying so? I'm saying this because here again attention is going in language. If you really want to improve your further content, just be engaged in content part. Like right now, am I focusing on English?
No, sir.
While interacting with you?
No, sir.
I'm just focusing on the content part that you are discussing with me. So same exposure you should have. And simple words, wrong words, there is a huge difference. If wrong words are there, then it is an area of concern. You must think over it. But if simple words are there, no, don't worry about that. Reason being, communication का definition है, when you are able to convey your messages successfully, when you are able to make people understand what you actually believe, that is successful communication. Communication doesn't mean making stylish pronunciation. Communication doesn't mean just speaking in English. If you visit a rural area, can English assist you?
No, sir.
When you will join armed forces, you will have fun, you will have jokes with other jawans, with other officers. Will you just use English?
No, sir.
So be relaxed. Feel the strength of your Hindi language with yourself. And with the help of Hindi language, what is left, what is not covered, just see that. Make proper notes. Find out those words and share it with me. Share it with the right person. Actually, I am the right person with whom you can share those words, and you can ask me that what can be the better words over there. But if you keep those words with you, if these words don't come to me, how will I assist? Before some time, a student came to me and he said, "Sir, there is an issue." I said, "What is the issue?" He said, "Sir, the chapters that I am preparing and the chapters teacher is teaching, there is a gap." I said, "Which type of gap?" He said, "Sir, I want to prepare something else and he is teaching something else." So I said, "Am I the right person to share it?" He said, "No." I said, "Just share it with your teacher that you want his attention on these topics. He will definitely give you." So sharing the information to the right person is also very important. Now, if those words are not observed, those words are not marked, and those words are not shared, they create a negative image, and slowly this negative image emerges and a negative impression comes in your mind, and suddenly you accept, "Sir, my vocab is weak. Sir, my overall communication is weak. Sir, my language is weak." This is the biggest issue, and you become emotional. You lose your control over your purpose, over your target. That is not to that should not happen in any condition. There will be so many hurdles when you will be in war-like situation. Will you lose your control from your ultimate target?
No, sir.
Your target is fixed and you have to be specific for that. So many hurdles will be there. Now, if you concentrate much on those hurdles, if you become emotional with those hurdles, suppose some injury is there in your hand and you became emotional, आज तक मेरे बाहों से खून नहीं निकला, आज खून निकला है, तो वहां पे तब तो कोई दूसरा एक्शन ले लेगा. तो बहुत सारे हर्डल्स आते हैं, उन हर्डल्स से हमें आगे बढ़ना है, राइट? Spirit is very important, passion is very important, and this gives you a good understanding of content part and also the delivery part. I always say deliver with passion. Why I say that when you are passionate to convey your content, automatically things match up, automatically ways prepared, and such hurdles are observed and such hurdles are resolved in a very easy manner. So I would expect those questions from you. Do share it with me, not only from him, everyone. I invite you all to share your queries with me, but not illogical. I hope I shared one story of Cambram.
No, sir.
Once I announced in my class that all of you ask me words. So one student came and he asked, "So what's the meaning of Cambram?" I said, "Sorry, I don't know." Then he started making different expressions. Maja aaya. So I was also very surprised how this word from. I was curious to know. I simply asked him, "Gentleman, from where did you get this word?" So he showed this paper with the attitude. देखो ये है. तो लाइन जब खत्म हो जाती है तो डैश लगा के नीचे लिख देते हैं. तो उसमें चिदम्बरम ची छूट गया था. नीचे का दम्बरम ऐसे भी कह सकते. और मुझे कंफ्यूज कर दिया और थोड़ी देर मजा भी लेता रहा. आप बताइए. तो प्लीज ब्रिंग लॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस, अदरवाइज कई बार टाइम लग जाता है. कई बार प्रेजेंटेटर को ही आप लोग थोड़ा सा डाउन मार देते हैं. हाँ अब आया है वर्ड. तो बहुत से वर्ड्स आपके पास खुद मिल जाते हैं. यू कैन सर्च ऑन गूगल. यू हैव इंटरनेट विद यू, यू हैव स्मार्टफोन, you have dictionary with you, so you can get those words from yourself. But somewhere you have difficulty to relate, to learn, to exercise, to practice. I'm there to assist, and I'm pretty sure there are so many students who have been trained by me. They must be aware of my vocabulary methods.
Yes, sir.
They may forget other things in life, but those words they never forget, right?
Yes,
so it is a very effective method that I would like to share with you. So you can definitely do that. Okay, have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next gentleman. Yes.
So I was asking that, sir, whenever we converse to a person, sir, how do we come to know that whether whoever we are conversing with is comfortable with us or not? And if not, how to bring his interest in ourselves?
Very nice question. This question is how to see others' comfort zone, whether that person is really comfortable or not. His actually question is how to maintain a good tuning with the person whom I am interacting.
yes, sir.
It's a nice question. See, for making tuning with the listener whom you are interacting, you should simply involve in discussion first of all. The more you are involved in discussion, then separately you don't have to think that what more is to be done. When you are completely engaged in discussion, there is no extra thing to be done from your side. As far as his comfort zone is concerned, he will definitely be responding either verbally or non-verbally. He might be saying, all right, okay, or he will be saying, he will be nodding his face. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And you are students of psychology. You have already done so many exercises of psychology. You have also heard different conclusions brought from your psychology section. isn't it? So it's an art. As far as my experience is concerned, if a student is sitting in my class, I just look at him for 30 seconds and I come to know what exactly the problem he's facing. And when I discuss, he says, yes sir, aapko kaise pata chala? It's my observation. It's all experience that you have developed over the years. अब 15 days में experience कैसे develop करें, इस पे बात करते हैं. In 15 to 20 days में आप जो भी communication कर रहे हैं, try to make it formal. Do not make it informal. तभी learning होगी. जैसे इस मामले में मैं दिव्यांश की तारीफ करूंगा. One day I asked him, how was your visit at Sainik School? I think all of you were there. He gave a wonderful answer. It took 3 minutes. And in those 3 minutes, he tried his level best to give a very good expression. This is the formal approach. There are many students, they generally say, sir, it was nice. And they end up. See, I am also aware that it must be nice. But if I am asking you, that means I am interested to know what all activities happened yesterday. Again, I am the information seeker and you are the information provider. What's your moral duty? To give me complete explanation and monitor my expressions also time to time, whether I am actually satisfied or not. See, happiness comes on face. There are so many candidates who appeared in the interviews and I appreciated them not only at the end of the interview. That appreciation came during the interview. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
When you performed well, when you gave exceptionally good answer, I might have appreciated during the interview, and that would have added your confidence. So, marking others' expression is actually not your overall duty, first of all. You should not have multiple threads in your mind. You should have single thread. In computer science, there is a term multi-threading. Are you aware?
Yes, sir.
When multiple threads execute at a time to complete a process, it is called multi-threading. Actually, it is a natural exercise. Like this time, my single process is to talk over communication skills. But I am using my hands, I am using my expressions. I am also trying to form some sort of, shapes just to give an approach of consolidation. You can see my expressions I am doing like this. So why such expressions are there? Who has told me? Have I thought before coming here? That's all natural expression and I am not giving my extra thread on these things. I'm only giving single thread in my mind that I just have to counsel you well. I just have to share my expertise with you so that you can be benefited. So gentlemen, do not put extra thread. Do not think much whether he is getting counseled or not, because he is not a target. He is your actually object, and he is your senior personality. He is a senior personality also. So when he is a senior personality, you don't have any right to judge his expressions. कई बार उन्होंने चश्मा पहना होता है, बच्चे नीचे झांकते हैं, एक बार आंखों से दीदार हो जाए, उनको लगता है कि आई कांटेक्ट हो जाएगा तो बहुत आसान हो जाएगा इंटरव्यू में, और ऐसा है भी. अगर आपका आई कांटेक्ट, जैसे आपको फादर मदर आप लोग फेमिलियर है, कई बच्चे बोलते हैं सर मैं घर पे बहुत बिंदास हूँ, जबरदस्त कम्युनिकेशन है मेरा, इधर आता हूँ दिक्कत हो जाती है. ये क्यों? फेमिलियरिटी लगी. तो एक्सप्रेशंस को एक्स्ट्रा वॉच मत करें, एक्सप्रेशन के लिए एक्स्ट्रा दिमाग मत लगाइए, बट आपका जो आंसर का फ्लो है वो खुद आपको कन्विंस करेगा whether it is going to be a suitable answer or not. जैसे आपका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन, जब कोई बच्चा 3 लाइनें बोल करके रुक जाता है, उसे खुद एहसास हो जाता है कि उसका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन अच्छा नहीं हुआ. कई बच्चों के साथ ऐसा हुआ हो, याद आ रहा है? नहीं, बहुत से लोगों ने इम्प्रूव कर लिया है, लेकिन इनिशियल स्टेजेस में जब हमने आपको फीडबैक दिए, इट इज नॉट वेल प्लान्ड, इट इज नॉट वेल प्रिपेयर्ड, तो दूसरे के एक्सप्रेशंस पे हमें बहुत एंगेज नहीं होना है, बट हमें अपने कंटेंट में इतना एंगेज होना है कि टाइम टू टाइम उनका जो एक्सेप्टेंस है वो आपको मिलता रहे. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, डू नॉट ड्रैग द डिस्कशन. I might be dragging the discussion because just I want to counsel you. sometimes I also feel that I should just give answer to the point. तो डिस्कशन को ड्रैग करने से क्या होगा, कभी कभी यू विल नोटिस सम एक्सप्रेशंस. तो आप डिस्कशन को, अब देखिए बहुत ही सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल इट इज. Understand which are the questions that need to the point approach and understand which are the questions that need explanation. For example, how was your journey? Does it require a to the point answer?
No, sir.
It requires an explanation, a kind of expression, a kind of gesture. Even if you have been in trouble, even if your journey was not good, but then too you should explain that as a matter of experience or as a matter of learning. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose your journey hasn't been good and you started बस अरे सर जर्नी के बारे में आपने क्या, मैं कुछ कहूंगा नहीं. अब आपने बुराई स्टार्ट कर दी, सर ऐसे ऐसे लोग ट्रेन में चलते हैं, मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैं बहुत गलत बना. अगर आपने इन डिस्कशंस में अपने आप को एंगेज किया तो आप ही से कहेंगे ऐसे लोगों को सुधारने के लिए क्या किया. सर इतना आपने सोचा नहीं. कईयों को तो मैंने सुधार दिया, लेकिन सर वो तरीका थोड़ा अलग. अब देखो डिस्कशन से डिबेट हो रही है. तो आपको जो एक्सप्रेशन है आपका, वो खुद आपको रिस्पॉन्ड करता जाएगा कि whether you have understood, whether that person has understood or not. Communication is a two-way process. Always remember, it can never be a one-way process. If a person says that he is talking to God, will you call it communication?
No, sir.
He might be happy spiritually, but he might not be getting the response. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Communication is a two-way process. Like you raised a query, I replied your answer. So I hope I have covered all those factors where you should concentrate least about his understanding, and his understanding will be explicit. It will not be implicit. If he is satisfied with your answer, you will see a kind of happiness on his face. If he is not satisfied with your answer, you will see a kind of curiosity on his face. All right, you should have given more about it. You should have talked more about it, gentlemen. तो जब ऐसा लग रहा है तो सर आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड ऑन सम मोर पॉइंट्स, ऐड कर दीजिए. तो बहुत ज्यादा आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं करना है, बस आपको रिस्पॉन्स मिलता रहेगा, क्योंकि कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस ही टू वे है. और एक बात, अगर उनका रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहा है तो आप वरीड मत हो. आपको ये ना लगे कि सर हैज गॉट बिजी विद पेन एंड सर इज जस्ट लाइंग ऑन चेयर. सर तो स्ट्रेट भी नहीं बैठे हैं और हमें स्ट्रेट बैठना बताया गया है. ये कैसा कम्युनिकेशन है? सर तो इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, सर को जमवाई आ रही है. एक बार मैंने भी इंटरव्यूज भी किया, सो बोरिंग. Right, it's getting late now, gentlemen. He might show that he is so busy. Always remember, these are the testing scenarios. You are being put in pressure. How will you? अभी एक बच्चे ने आंसर देते देते मुझसे कह दिया, सर उसको लगा मैं सुन नहीं रहा हूँ, तो सीधे मुझे डांट दिया. मुझे लगा अगर मैं उसको रिस्पॉन्ड न करता उसके आगे बढ़ा. है उसका अग्रेशन कौन था, याद है किसी को? नहीं, हर्षवर्धन के बारे में था. हाँ, तो हर्षवर्धन ने सर बोल दिया, सर इधर आंसर चल रहा है और आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे. इधर मैं गला थका दे रहा हूँ जियो पॉलिटिक्स की बातें कर करके, और आपने तो बस रेडियो ऑन कर दिया. आपको बढ़िया है, मजे है आपको, किसी को भी ऑन कर देते हैं. आप समझिए कैसे चेक होगा कि एबिलिटी टू स्टे काम अंडर प्रेशर कैसे चेक होगा. जब हम आपको प्रेशर में रखेंगे ना, एसआरटी इंटरेक्शन में क्यों लाई जाती है, फिर एसआरटी में और सिचुएशन क्यों ऐड करी जाती है. 4 बोल्ट्स की बजाय 1 बोल्ट और कम कर दिया, अब कैसे गाड़ी चलेगी. फिर एक और कम कर दिया, डायगनली लगाओगे, देन और कंडीशंस ऐड कर देते. तो इनका सभी का ऑब्जेक्टिव है जस्ट टू सी योर रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस अंडर प्रेशर. एंड रियली डू नॉट गिव अप. Do not give up in such situations. That is what the expectation from you. Try to be creative. Try to put your mind. These all are practical scenarios where you can definitely come up with solution. All right, let's have more solutions. Yeah, Divyansh.
So we can go for increasing them, praising them as whenever the lockdown is there, these person can plant one or two saplings there, and accordingly they will be given money on by the government under some scheme that if one person is going to plant this much of saplings in 1 month, then they will be given this amount of money.
But this will involve other people to come out. Yes.
Sir, here we are doing lockdown so as to protect the environment and to control the pollution.
Yes.
So why are you doing lockdown for persons? We can make lockdown for vehicles, only vehicles, no vehicles will.
Yeah. Yes. Clap for him, clap for him. Nice. This is what observation and this is what listening skill. Actually, you connected this situation with the COVID. Actually, this discussion was not about COVID. This discussion was about environment. And especially these people who are daily wages worker, they generally don't use any conveyance. They use public conveyance only, and they go on cycles and they go on food. Only one thing extra should be done, that ठेका देशी शराब, that must be closed. क्योंकि वहाँ पे फिर दूसरी चीज होने लग जाएगी. आप ऐसे आइडियाज दे सकते हैं. वेरी नाइस. वैसे अभी क्वेश्चन हुआ था, वो जेंटलमैन बहुत ज्यादा उसने लॉजिकल आइडियाज देने की बजाय उसने सोचा कि मैं स्किप कर लेता हूँ. तो ही सेड आई हैवंट थॉट अबाउट दैट. मैं आपको यही रियलाइज करना चाहता हूँ कि जब आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर, आप वहां पे कैसे जा रहे हैं, एज अ प्रॉब्लम सीकर और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर. So if you raise a problem from your city, from your academic system, or from schooling days, or new education policy, or Indian foreign policies, or warlike situation, how to avoid, how to have peaceful solutions, peaceful relations. So you should have probable solution as well. You should not just say, sir, this is the problem. You should not just say, sir, in my state, unemployment problem is the biggest problem. You should have its background, you should have its backup, you should be ready with the solution. Nice, gentleman. I liked your observation. Nice. Have a seat. And but आप उसे national level तक क्यों ले जा रहे थे? वो उसने उस query को अपनी state में raise किया है. So students, it is really very interesting to get ready for the interview, and PIQ is the best source for making your answers ready. आप अपने answers को अपने PIQ से ready करें. और कल का experience है कि कल एक gentleman ने कहा कि हमारे यहाँ जो शिक्षा व्यवस्था है उसमें टीचर्स, मैंने कहा कि अगर आपको ये, if you are given opportunity to maintain the education system, so what steps will you take? He said, teachers are not strict, I will make them strict first. Is it the right solution? देखिए, avoid this administration part. You are given this opportunity just to come up with creativity. अगर आप डिक्टेटरशिप पे आ जाओगे, मैं बिल्कुल इतिहास बदल दूंगा, मैं उन लोगों की छटनी कर दूंगा, है ना, मैं उन लोगों को नौकरी से बिल्कुल उनका एक परफॉर्मेंस चार्ट बनेगा, तो आपको थोड़ा सा रियलिस्टिक सोल्यूशन देने चाहिए. क्योंकि अच्छा, बाद में ही हिमसेल्फ एक्सेप्टेड कि सर सिस्टम कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड इन अ डे, इट टेक्स टाइम. तो जहां से डिस्कशन स्टार्ट हुआ था वहीं पे आके क्या हो गया, एंड हो गया. कुछ क्रिएटिव आया? नो सर. हम दीजिए बातों. These are the point to be noticed. आपका रोल नहीं आया ना वहां, और आप वहां पे हैं अपना रोल लेकर के, तो आपको अपना रोल वहां पे देना है. Okay, let's have more discussion on communication skills part. Yeah, please.
Sir, how to shorten our content and keep it crisp and to the point?
See, as I said, content, just listen the question very well. Like, I raised a question, or the candidate raised question. If you have appeared in several interviews, you would have seen our style of making questions. Have you seen or not?
Yes, sir.
I think many of you would have understood it very well. Many of you would have even understood that what is going to be the next question. So the way we raise to the point question, in the same way you can prepare your to the point answer. As far as to the point answer is concerned, it should be conveyed with facts. It should be conveyed with practical exposure. It should be conveyed with a logic. It should not be conveyed with irrespective of practical grounds. So it will definitely be to the point. It will and avoid extra exaggeration. Exaggeration को avoid करिए. So you may raise your other questions as well.
My question is how to make a good intonation while forming an accent board.
Nice question. See, intonation, first of all, work on basic switches. Sa, sha, ja, za, fa and pa. One should not be wrong in this, right? Now, as far as expression is concerned, intonation means voice modulation. How you bring that catchy voice so that people should understand. This is actually your message oriented. Like in Hindi also, sometimes we highlight message, sometimes we tell lightly, sometimes we speak in a, you can see my way of explaining this time. Sometimes I'm trying to highlight that, sometimes I'm speaking in a slow manner. So this is voice modulation, right? And voice modulation is an art that can be developed with your basic topics first. You can talk more about your school days. You can talk more about your current affairs. So what will happen? You will slowly learn that how your expressions are, how your intonation is. Like some of you really have a very catchy voice, and it is really very impressive. It is nice. I got impressed, and I appreciated many of you, right? So this is developed by giving time. I would just suggest you that record your own performance and evaluate that. That is again a very good exercise that one should see one's own performance first. And then there are several other mediums also. On Telegram, there is a group that I have created, right? Our academies, all students are there discussing the expressions and language related things. So you can put your content there also, right? Yeah.
And sir, what about the fumbling? If we know the content but also fumbles a lot.
See, I will give you such a solution that will remove your fumbling, right? Just listen my solution. Listen to my solution very carefully. Do not sound when you need to think. That's it. Suppose you ask my daily routine, and I have to think in between. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
sir.
So, during your pauses, use your style rather than using your sound. So I get up early in the morning. I go for morning walk with my friends. I meet them. I generally have discussion about current affairs. I return after half an hour. I get ready for my college. There I reach at 10:30. I attend all the sessions. These days there is lockdown, so generally I'm at my home and I do my self study. ऐसे आप बीच बीच में expressions को properly. अब कहाँ पे फंबलिंग होती है जरा वो देखिए. जैसे ही आपने क्वेश्चन को टेकअप किया और आपने जल्दी बताना शुरू किया. Sir, I get up early in the morning and then I go for morning walk. I meet my friends and then I have discussion on current affairs and लंबा एंड आपने लेना स्टार्ट किया. फिर क्या हुआ? जो आंसर आपका 2 मिनट 3 मिनट में आना होता है वो 1 मिनट में जल्दी से आप वाइंड अप करके लंबी सांस लेते हैं. होता है कि नहीं? सिंपल फॉर्मूला. सेंटेंस बोलिए, बोल के रुकिए, साउंड मत करिए. आप किसी भी टॉपिक पे नॉर्मल डिस्कशन, अच्छा लेक्चरेट हो, इंटरव्यू हो, जीडी हो, थोड़ा जीडी में फ्लो का इंपॉर्टेंस होता है. जीडी में थोड़ा एनर्जी लेवल का इंपॉर्टेंस होता है, चाहिए होता है. पीपीडीडी में सिनेरियो थोड़ा अलग होता है. लेकिन इंटरव्यूज में आप फंबलिंग को बहुत स्मार्टली अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. सिंपल फॉर्मूला, breathe and take pause without any kind of issues, since it is explanation oriented question. So you may remove this fumbling part. You could see, was I fumbling during my interaction?
No, sir.
I was taking proper pauses, right? Since everybody requires pauses. We are not machines who are just pressed a button and they will just speak blah 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 and it is going on. So everybody requires pauses. Everybody needs refreshment, and everybody needs those breathing system to be proper. So just do not sound. अब sound करने से क्या होता है? Public ज़्यादा नजर आती है. Sir, I take lunch with my family members, and after that, I spend some time in front of television, and sometimes I go to sleep, and बहुत ज़्यादा and और यही आपके मन में एक घर बना रहा है कि you have fumbling problem. Simple solution: I watch television, I spend quality time in front of television, I refer news channels, I listen to them very carefully. Sentences को enjoy करते हैं, right? So it is overall आपका impression management का part है, जिसमें fumbling बिल्कुल नहीं होनी चाहिए. और एक बात, pauses जरूर लीजिए. लोग कहते हैं कि फ्लो का मतलब है जल्दी बस लेके उड़ जाओ. मैं कहता हूँ फ्लो ये है ही नहीं. फ्लो का मतलब है आप अपनी बात को अननेसेसरी पॉजेस में ना बोलें. जैसे आपने सेंटेंस को बीच में 3 बार बोला, उसकी क्या जरूरत नहीं, आप उसे एक बार में बोलिए. सर आई एम हियर फॉर द इंटरव्यू. सर आई एम हियर फॉर द इंटरव्यू. आपने 3 बार उसे ब्रेक क्यों किया? आप उसे एक बार में बोलिए, वन शॉट. एंड इसके बोलने की हैबिट डाली. बहुत से बच्चों ने इस चीज को समझा और उनका जो रिजल्ट है वो अच्छा हुआ. तो इट वाज अ नाइस इंटरेक्शन विद यू ऑल एंड आई रियली एंजॉयड योर क्वेश्चंस. आई होप माय आंसर्स वुड हैव गिवन यू बेनिफिट्स and we will have these sessions other days as well. Today we will announce you the time, right? We have planned that 1 hour is required. Do you feel so?
Yes.
So we'll have 1 hour session. In that, just 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes, I will just give you tips. I will not be speaking much. I will be making you speak. That will be my motto, right? Because if I keep speaking and you are just a listener, so swimming, तैरने से आता है और बोलने की ट्रेनिंग शांत रह के नहीं हो सकती. तो अब आप लोग तैयार हुई बोलने के लिए. Although you guys are doing really very well, थोड़ा से उसमें और एफर्ट्स आ जाएंगे. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास में सबसे पहले पहुंचे.